Saa mbili asubuhi tumevamiwa na wajambazi ambayo waliua twiga moja. Baada ya sisi kupasha habari watu wa game walirespond haraka sana, wakakuja. Kufika tu ile pahali risasi imeanzika. Walianza kufuatiliana risasi. Baada ya 2 hours nafikiri mmoja amekufa na mmoja amejeruhiwa. Mpaka karibu saa 5 hivi ilikuwa inaendelea risasi. Sisi tukarudi nyuma, ni karibu na kijiji ambaye ni Adow location ambaye tuko saa hii. Na tunaona ya kwamba game wamerespond haraka, lakini game hawana watu wengi, hawana askari wengi, hao ni kidogo sana. Hii uhalifu imezidi siku hizi, imekuwa kwa ajili ya ukosefu wa kazi na utamaduni ambaye siku hizi wana claim ya kwamba ukikula nyama ya gamia wazee ndio watakuwa na nguvu. Nyama ya
problem. It needs extraordinary solutions by the approach of both the government and the community. We applaud the work done by the community, Wajir South community that lives in Adow, that reported the incident to KWS, and the quick and extraordinary response to the KWS officers who are there at KWS Wajir. We thank them for the good work they did, and we appreciate the effort of the community, the work they have done. But
now I want to emphasize on, according to the way stories we run.
Yes.
And giraffe and walitoroka outside msituni.
Yes.
They are coming closer to town.
Yes.
For protection.
Yes.
And still for Nyuki.
Yes.
So can you bring out that?
These days, first, the number of the giraffe population is decreasing rapidly because of a high increase of poachers who have sophisticated weapons. Now, most of the giraffe, they run to town. Most of the population coming to Adow. You find them living within the human settlements. So the poachers have even gone to the extent of coming to the main town, Adow, this morning, running after these giraffes using a motorbike. You know, that is an incident that we have never seen, where you used to see poachers going outside in the bush, but they're coming to the main town and looking for these animals while in the midst of the population in broad daylight. So that is a very big problem we have. Since the population is decreasing, we need an extraordinary measures that should be done by the government in collaborations with the communities living here. We applaud them for doing that quick response.
As we know, poaching has been escalated in Wajir County as a service mandated to protection and security of wildlife. We will not rest. We will ensure that those who are engaged in poaching has been arrested, and poaching history is finished once and for all. We don't want to have a county where animals are targeted by the poachers. We will not rest. We are up to the task, and we will ensure that our wildlife are safe